And then what? I forgot what I was going to say after that. Come on, girl, let's get it. All right. Hey guys, it's me again, Flora. I'm in my DIY veggie bed today. Veggie gardening doesn't have to be complicated. It can be super simple and you can do it right through the winter. I've made this bed using just bricks. You can use old wood or some logs to line it and you have yourself a veggie bed just like that. So today what I'm doing is using some bags of compost and some blood and bone just to finish off the final layer of the seed bed, and then I'm going to plant out these winter greens. All perfect for growing through the winter, and you can harvest them right through into the spring and even the summer. So a really quick tip for planting out your brassicas is to plant them really deep. So the soil is just below where the leaves are starting. By doing this, you're going to give them a really strong root system and stable stems. Alright, so I've planted my seedlings in and now I'm going to add Tui seaweed fertiliser in the watering can and sprinkle that over them to give them the best start. Alright guys, my DIY veggie garden is all done now, and you can shop all the products that I used at store.pggwrightson.co.nz.